What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Pancis. If it's your first time tuning in, please be sure to smash that subscribe button. If not, thanks for your continued support. Happy New Year to all of you guys. It's been a couple weeks since we posted a video. A lot of things have happened over the course of the last couple weeks besides for the holidays and family being in town. I finally caught that Rona, and so between the holidays and that, we put a little damper on some schedules and ideas of flowing and so on and so forth. So anyways, we're here. We're gonna do a video today on a couple different runs, quarter mile, 0 to 60 on my Jaguar. I downloaded the Dragy app on my phone and registered an account. So shout out to Iron Jello on Instagram. If you guys follow me on Instagram, him and I always do a bunch of tags back and forth. He does some cool, he's got a couple cool cars in his garage. He was nice enough to share the Dragy gadget with me for the time being. So we're gonna do some testing with it. We're gonna do some time stamps on this car, and then of course we'll do another video at some point here in the future on the Porsche. And last year when I was in Chicago with my old school 200,000 mile Saab, he did some times on that too. So anyways, let's hop into this. Stay tuned. So first things first is we just did a fun quick 0 to 60 and 5.4 seconds, but that was, I wasn't really getting on it. I was just kind of doing it. So let's do another one here in a minute. We're gonna get on the highway and we're gonna do a 0 to 60. I'm gonna pull off to the side of the road here and just set up the app real quick and then freaking get on it and go. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna be filming on my phone. I should have a holder, which I don't, but we're gonna hold it and do another run here in a minute. There's a lot of traffic out, so we're gonna find a good spot and then we'll knock this out. Alright guys, we're about to get started, so hopefully the video comes clear on my phone, so stay tuned. So, I didn't have enough space to finish the quarter mile. However, signal lost. We did 0 to 60 in the 5.2, 60 foot in 2 seconds, 8th mile in 8.7, no, sorry, 8th mile in 8.7 seconds, and 0 to 60 in 5.27 seconds. It's pretty freaking fast, guys. Pretty freaking quick. So it is 19 degrees outside today, so it's not the best temperatures, but I guess maybe it's good for a supercharged engine. We got just about a half a tank, and obviously just myself in the car, so pretty freaking sweet. We're gonna go find another spot. Go find another spot and try to knock out the quarter mile here for you guys to give you a better clock on that. The last run showed 13.98 seconds, but I didn't finish the acceleration, obviously. So this car is pretty much stock minus a pulley upgrade, which was to bring it to a factory S spec, so 380 horsepower, plus we have an intake system. If you guys haven't been following the channel at all, this is your first time, those are the two modifications we have, is an upgraded pulley system from Mina Gallery, and then I bought the intake system, the photos from Mina Gallery as well. So those are the only two features that are updated on this car. So alright guys, so if it's your first time tuning into the channel and this car, let me just show you guys a quick tour under the hood, since I described in this video what it is. But here it is, 3.0 liter V6 supercharged. You guys can see our upgraded pulley. We changed the crank out. This is what we did. We put a bigger crank on it with a tighter pulley. So everything's looking good there. And that's it, guys. Under the hood, 2017 Jaguar XF. Anyways, we're gonna be coming to a spot here in a minute. Hopefully there's less traffic on the highway. There's so much traffic out. I don't know, I guess today's Saturday, so obviously there's a lot of people out and about, but we're gonna find a good spot to do another pull on this car. It's nice and warmed up obviously at this point, and then hopefully complete a quarter mile. Let's see what happens. All right, little uphill battle, but we got it. Screwed up again. Take 4. All right, little uphill battle, but we got it. Screwed up again. Take 4. All right, gotta do another take. Crazy. This is really hard when you're trying to focus on doing this. I don't know. Hitting buttons by accident. Alright, stay tuned. I think we can do like a 12-second quarter mile with this car. Maybe a 12.5. We did 13.98, but I didn't finish the acceleration. So yeah, figure like 12.5 to 13 seconds on a quarter mile, which I think is pretty fast for a luxury full-size sedan here, guys. I don't know. I mean, this isn't any sort of sports car by any means, but it's pretty freaking fast. Holy smokes. So yeah, this car's been sitting in the garage for like the last 2 weeks, obviously, since I was under the weather and not driving very many places. I was also driving another car in the fleet. So yeah, it's first day back on the road with this thing, and I figured knocking out this video would be quite a good video, knowing that this thing's a beast with the amount of power it's putting out, for I guess about 400 horsepower, and who knows where the torque's at, but it's pretty freaking torquey. And I'm sure this thing can probably go much faster if we got the tune put on it, so maybe we'll look into doing that as well. Let's see. Anyways, let me go find a good spot and we'll knock out another run. All right, boys, take 4. Not bad. We got a 12.98. I'm gonna screenshot that one. I think that was one of the fastest. All right, guys, so I think I got good video on the take 4. I forgot to hit you on the GoPro, or at least I did, but it didn't register, it didn't turn on. But we had a 0 to 60 in 4.92 on the 4th run, and a quarter mile at 12.98 seconds. I don't recall the speed, but I have it up on the screen. So pretty impressive for a full-size Jaguar sedan. I mean, not gonna lie, it's pretty exciting stuff. 4.92 seconds to 60. Like, that's a lot of power. You don't have sports cars that go that fast, and you know, certainly more on the exotic side of things when you're talking 0 to 60 in the 4-second range. It's pretty cool. So thanks, Iron Jello, guys. Give him a follow on Instagram if you can. He's got some cool cars in the garage. And thanks for sending out this Dragy app. and the gadget to connect, obviously. I guess I should link a product description, product link down below for the Dragy app. If you guys want to purchase the Bluetooth app or Bluetooth gadget for your phone, you can connect it. Within 2 minutes, you're ready to go to set it up. Just add in your profile and the car in your garage that you're testing, and it saves all the data for you. So I mean, it's pretty awesome. Anyways, we have good time slips on that. I don't think it's perfect by any means, because we have uphill, downhill, incline, decline, traffic, myself hitting buttons by accident, switching the gears, whatever the case may be. And of course, it's 19 degrees outside, so not the most ideal temperatures, but I don't think it's so bad for supercharged motors. I don't know, drop a comment below. I don't know if the biometric pressure is affecting performance, if it could be better or not. I know we have premium in the car, and I know we're at just under a half a tank at this point, and myself in the car is so pretty light on the weight. And yeah, not bad. Got a good barometer of what the car can do. Figured averages about 5 seconds to 60 based on the incline, decline, and the different runs we just ran, and a quarter mile time in the 12-second handle. I mean, that's pretty awesome. Anyways, stay tuned for the next video, guys. Again, follow me at Pancis on Instagram. If you guys haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe. And give Iron Jello a nice follow as well. Link his Instagram down in the description. See you guys next video. I'm gonna do one more 0 to 60 just because we can. And I got a pretty straight, flat ground here with no traffic. So here we go. There you go. More realistic, 5.6 seconds to 60. I mean, granted, we have a warm engine at this point, so a little bit fast, a little bit slower on the timestamp, and then of course we are running a little bit more on flat ground. So let's go take some averages and stay tuned, guys.